It's almost back to school season, and my kids always enjoy the back to school shopping every year. So let's head with me to the Target and let's see what we got in back to school at Target. There is a good variety available in Target, so if you are looking for pouches, so let's explore some. Here is a poppet pouch which grabbed my attention. I like the bright color. It's silicone pouch, has sample storage space and can carry easily in backpack. It also comes in rainbow and other colors. Other fun pencil pouch I found, and that is this pencil pouch for pencil. It's cute. It has a zipper on the front, enough storage space, feels soft and lightweight. Look at this crayon shaped pencil pouch. It's cute and also available in different colors. As I move around to other section, I found these vibrant ombre shade pouches which comes in different colors, so you must check them out before it's gone. You can check out the school supplies mentioned in this video. Just click on the view product button at the bottom of this video. Let's move on. As far as the basic school supplies is concerned, such as pencil, sharpeners, eraser, there are tons of options available. I like this school pencil shaped eraser. They are jumbo in size. As far as the sharpener is concerned, you have an option for the manual sharpeners or battery operated sharpener. Which one you prefer, let me know in comments down below. There is a wide variety of scissors available which comes in a different colors, size and style. I like this one. Isn't it beautiful? Next item on my back to school supply list is highlighters. There are a lot of options which come in different colors, size and packs. You must check out. My attention caught by these mini highlighters. They are cute, has nice color options. If you are a fan of Sharpie, then you must check out these Sharpies which has a new color options for you. I also like this Sharpie pack. It has such an array of colors to choose from. It's cool. If you like bright and bold highlighters, then you must check out Up and Up highlighters. If you are not looking for a big pack, no worries. You have a lot of options in the same from the Sharpies as well as from other brands. As I moved to other sections for rulers, I found some of the cool ruler options which are fun, but at the same time it does its jobs. You must check out this poppet ruler from Up and Up. I also like this cool ombre shade ruler. It's a bit heavy, but it's sturdy. You can also check out this multicolor snap ruler. So before we move on, I would like to ask you to hit the like button and leave a comment to let me know whether you would like to watch more videos of back to school on my channel. Let's move to the glue section. Glue is a must-have for arts and craft projects. You can get a small bottle of glue or larger one depending on your needs. We prefer Elmer's washable glue, clear glue, giant glue stick pack. My kids enjoy art and craft, so I always prefer Elmer's purple glue stick, larger pack. This time something grabbed my attention, and that is Elmer's scented sticks. They are clear and comes in 4 different scents, which I'm gonna get for sure. What do you think about it? Let me know in comments down below. For coloring, we always enjoy Scrala crayons. Look at this big pack with tons of color options. So if you're a fan of a small pack, so there are options in that as well. I also like this Scrala Silly Scent Smash Up color pencils. I'm gonna try these ones as well. A backpack is essential for carrying all school supplies. So choose a backpack that is comfortable to wear, has enough compartment for storage. I mean, look at these options. Kids for sure get crazy when they have such a wide variety. I would like to share a couple of them which I like the most. Some of these backpacks comes in a set of which includes backpack, headphone, water bottle and lunch bag. I also found out interesting water bottle options such as space theme water bottles. This cat and jack floral water bottle is pretty. I like that for sure. There are also lunch box in the same crane which you can combine along with the backpack and water bottle as well as a lunch box bag, which is good to create your own custom set, or you can mix and match, as well as there are tons of options to choose from, and that's why kids always get excited when it is back to school shopping. which back to school supply you find interesting. Let me know in comments down below. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. See you soon.